Alrighty. Good, happy weekend to everybody. I have been dealing with kind of a low-grade headache these last couple of days. I think part of it is some poor sleep recently. Part of it might be a little dehydration. I've been adding some creatine back in. I'm wondering if that's got something to do with it. I will say that overall, right, like, what was it? My bench. I think I should be able to hit 225 next month for the 3 reps that I've been looking for. So 2 set workouts have been really working for me in that regard. Um, my squats been feeling better, and as a result, I've had more muscular soreness, which means my deadlift tends to suffer. So I went from doing something like 12 deadlifts instead of 10 at the whatever weight I was doing to 6 just because I had no leg drive. So that was a challenge. So yeah, that's that. So tomorrow, I believe we are squatting again, um, pressing, and then doing some lat pull down. So I will probably end up doing 2 set workout just to kind of get my hips going, get my arms going, because since my bench press has been getting better, classically, right, like my shoulder's a little irritable. So the plan today is 2 sets of bridges, um, 2 sets of push-ups, 2 sets of pull-ups, and that'll be that. And then we'll go from there. So again, a pretty uncomplicated workout, just because again, like not feeling 100% right in terms of like I do have some muscle stiffness in my neck and shoulders, which again could be because everything's progressing like I'd like it to, and my body's trying to figure it out. And like I said, I'm not feeling 100% in that with like I don't usually get headaches, and yeah, having one's not really a good time. So, all right, here we go. So like I said, time for some push-ups. Four. Yeah, unfortunately, like I said, this headache is kind of sapping some energy, and sitting back like that, I could really feel how sore slash tight my hips were. So here we go. Knocking out some bridges. Good stuff. And here we go again. Um, went to go buy some protein powder today because I'm running low. And good old Costco has unfortunately discontinued their protein powder, so I was looking at the next step up, and it's like 75 bucks for a bag of Optimum Nutrition. I'm like, I know these prices have been going up, but damn. So I ended up going to the Optimum Nutrition website, and it's $1 per serving, about, and that was at an air quote discount. Um, so I was like, all right, this is crazy that like originally protein powder came out, and it was the cheaper alternative to protein, right? Where it might have been 25 cents a serving. Now it's close, now it's over $1, and only if you're buying it in 10 pounds at a time. So it's just wild to me that I'm like, sure, from a protein to calorie perspective, protein versus fat versus, calorie versus price perspective, it might still be air quote ideal, but it's just not, it's crazy that, we have to have protein in everything, and it's not actually that good, or doesn't taste very good, and that to boot, it's just cheaper to buy meat at this point for the time being. All right. Oh, yeah, body is definitely not moving super great today. I could have done more pull-ups, but not really working for me today. I will stand by the fact that I want to do 2 sets of everything today. But again, if this ends up being under 10 minutes, I'm good with that. Alternative thought to this is, oh, excuse me, if you end up being able to do 10 push-ups, 10 to 15 bridges, 3 pull-ups every day for the rest of your life, from now until 85, let's say, that at 85 you can still do 10 push-ups, 15 bridges, and then 3 pull-ups. So you're pretty healthy. So there is that kind of idea of like, hey, can we make this a sustainable lifestyle with the resources and time and desire that we have? So there's about 10 push-ups again. Is it an impressive amount for somebody? Sure. Is it an impressive amount to most of the people on the internet? Absolutely not. My goodness. Here we go. Good enough there. All right. Quick little breath catch. I will probably be focusing on hydration today. Not that I usually don't, like I usually get about a gallon of water a day, but today feels like a good day to make sure I get plenty of water. Alrighty, 3 more really good looking pull-ups. Here we go. 3, 5, can't count, but we're good. Energy's a little off. Normally I'm not this yawny, low energy in the afternoon, so I don't know what to blame. So we'll pick it up there. If you did what I did, something short and sweet, awesome. You did your own thing, great. You're just starting, looking for ideas, motivation, discipline, and or just kind of like, hey, this is kind of a real life scenario. Here we are. This is what we're trying to do: help each other grow and be a little better every day. So, good job today. Keep working hard. We'll see you next time.